So now for this question, we have two rational expressions that we're dividing. And so what I actually want to do is change it to a multiplication. When I change it to a multiplication, I'm going to keep the first fraction, change the division to a multiplication, and flip my second fraction. So if I keep the first, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, divided by x squared plus 3x minus 4. Now change this division to a multiplication. You always want to have a multiplication before we factor everything, so then you know how to cancel it correctly. And then don't forget to flip the second fraction. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. That'll be on the denominator, and now we can factor top and bottom of both fractions. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just write what these factors are going to be. If you're unsure of the steps that I took, you can always watch another video or brush up on your factoring, because that's what I'm going to be doing with each of these here. So factoring out this 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 will get me 2x plus 1, x plus 3, and on the bottom for my denominator, I'll have x plus 4 and x minus 1. Multiplied, and then when I factor out this first top part, it'll be 2x minus 1, x minus 1, divided by x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now these bottom ones are easier to factor out because they have a 1 as their a. If you're looking at this in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Just keep in mind, if you're looking back to seeing how these were factored with a 2x squared, that's when a is not equal to 1. In this case, we have a is equal to 2. So just make sure that when you're looking up on how to do it, you know that you're looking for the right videos or right explanation if you're looking for someone else to explain it. And now, when we're canceling, you want to make sure that the same groups are what you're going to cancel out. So when we're canceling, we're looking for anything that looks the same. This x plus 3 here, we're going to check vertically and diagonally. So vertically, I don't see anything in common from this first fraction that I can cancel out. But if I look diagonally, x plus 3 and x plus 3 are the same, so I can cancel those out. In the second fraction, I'm looking vertically. There's nothing I can really cancel out here. And then diagonally, I have an x minus 1 and an x minus 1. So once I have those canceled out, anything remaining will be my final answer. In here, in the first fraction, I have a 2x plus 1 in the numerator. And then I have a 2x minus 1. So those stay in my numerator. And then for my denominator, I have an x plus 4 and an x plus 2. So I'm going to write both of them down, and that will be my denominator for the final answer. And then that's it.